In this video we will look at doing initial tutorials, which should be done with all students in their first week at CES. Once the student has logged on to their account, click School. Scroll down, click View Tutorials. Actions, Create New. Click to Initial Tutorial. Do the teacher unlock. Choose your name. And enter your code. Now the student will complete the short questionnaire. Reasons for learning English, the student selects. The student then completes a short sentence: by the time I have finished the course, I would like to be able to, and the student selects 3 important skills. Finally, the teacher writes a short welcome note for the student. Delete any text and here is one that I prepared earlier. Try to refer to each of the 3 skills that the student selected: speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Finally, select the start level and press Submit.